Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on your Wii U console. Many gamers prefer the feel of their PS4 controller, and with the right tools, you can easily bring that comfort to your Wii U. This process involves a simple adapter that allows the two systems to communicate, opening up new possibilities for your gaming experience. To get started, you will need a few key pieces of hardware. First, grab your PS4 DualShock 4 wireless controller. Next, the most important item is a Mayflash Magic NS adapter, which acts as the bridge. Of course, have your Nintendo Wii U console powered on and ready. For the initial setup, a standard USB cable might be helpful for a wired connection. Connecting your controller is a straightforward process. First, insert the Mayflash Magic NS adapter into an available USB port on your Wii U console. Next, press the button on the side of the adapter to cycle through modes until you reach the correct setting, often indicated by a specific LED color. Then, put your PS4 controller into its Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the Share and PS buttons. Finally, press the pairing button on the adapter. The lights will become solid once connected. For the best experience, keep a few tips in mind. Always check for and install the latest firmware updates for your Mayflash adapter to ensure optimal compatibility and performance. Remember that button remapping might be limited in some games, so familiarize yourself with the default layout. Also, be mindful of your PS4 controller's battery life, as it might differ slightly when used with the adapter. While generally excellent, very competitive games might exhibit minimal input lag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.